Hi, I'm Bradley Rare here with the City of Santa Barbara's wastewater team to talk to you today about WTF, what to flush. In sanitation agencies all over the United States, up and down California, and even here locally in Santa Barbara, wastewater crews are encountering a number of these so-called flushable wipes or other rag materials that are non-biodegradable. These materials can lead to both private sewer spills and public sewer spills if we cannot identify them in the system and remove them. Since our crews are currently encountering an increased number of wipes in our cleaning operations at our pump stations, we are both at a higher risk of sewer spills on the private side and both public side. While these products may be marketed as flushable, they might as well be called cloggable too. Wipes can cause blockages in pipes when they bind with other materials such as grease or roots in the system. They can also get caught up and cause damage to equipment such as pumps if they clog the impeller and the pump runs until it fails. Recently, wipes were even attributed to the failure of a private lift station. Not only did the wipes cause a spill, exposing the neighborhood to sewage, it also required several hours of city staff time in order to contain and clean up the spill. One of the questions we often get asked is, why is it called flushable if it shouldn't be flushed down the toilet? The better answer is, should flushable wipes be flushable? It's true that people try to flush them down the toilet, but there's no guarantee that it'll pass the multiple bends on the way from the homeowner's plumbing to the city sewer system or get clogged in the sewer lateral downstream. If the wipes get clogged, this could lead to a very costly repair or maintenance from the homeowner in the thousands of dollars. We're here today to not just tell you, but also show you what kind of wipes or paper towels should not be flushed down the toilet, but instead we should be throwing them away in the trash. Come on, let's go see.
Hello everyone, Alejandro Vela here to guide you through the experiment to show you what happens with different materials when flushed down the toilet. Let's start with the so-called flushable wipe. For time purposes, many sections of the video will be run on time-lapse. Here you're seeing how we're setting up the flushable wipe on the glass beaker which is filled with regular tap water. Let's continue with the disinfectant wipe. It seems to be made of a thicker fabric and moistened with a solution containing chlorine. Now we have a shop towel. This material feels to be made of an even thicker fabric. And last, the toilet paper. This is the only material, together with pee and poop, that are meant to be flushed down the toilet. And we're about to show you why. We're going to start the mixing process, so here we go. All 4 study subjects have been mechanically mixed up with water for about 4 hours. Let's imagine they have been traveling through the sewer system for all that time. So let's see how the flushable wipe is doing. Let's take it out and stretch it to have a sense of its consistency. As you can see, it is pretty much intact. It only broke when I applied quite some strength. Generally, these wipes are made out of polyester or polypropylene fabrics, so essentially these wipes are plastic. Now let's see how the disinfectant wipe is doing. Same process, let's stretch it out. As you can see, it is literally intact. It even needs more strength to be able to break it. These wipes are produced with the same non-woven fabrics that the flushable wipes are made. Let's move on to the shop towel. I can say its resistance to being broken is around the same as the flushable wipe. It feels thicker than the 2 previous wipes, and you can notice it is made out of a different material. Official sources say that it is made of a polyester hydronate. And finally, toilet paper. As you know, toilet paper is manufactured in a way so that it never clogs your sewer pipes. Here you can see how it tears apart by itself. Toilet paper is made out of paper only. Paper is a material made up by processing cellulose fibers derived from vegetable sources. That means it is biodegradable, the reason why it breaks down so easily. From the wastewater collection team, thanks a lot for staying along with us during the experiment. See you next time.
Now that you've seen what happens to wipes after they've been flushed down the toilet, please do your part to help us prevent sanitary sewer spills. If you choose to use wipes, throw them in the trash. It's always better to think about what to flush before you flush and not afterwards. So please focus on the 3 Ps, pee, poo, and paper. Thanks again from the City of Santa Barbara's wastewater team.